Coming up in this Brightline construction update, this update looks the cutover of the first half of the new Turkey Creek Bridge. The Turkey Creek Bridge is located in Palm Bay, Florida. I'll start a couple of weeks before the cutover. At this point, the bridge structure was essentially complete, and finishing touches were being completed before track was laid across it. The new bridge is 3 spans, with concrete beams on the outer 2 spans and a metal span in the middle. This new bridge will have a ballasted deck, allowing standard track to be laid across it. Ties were laid to the south in preparation for the second main line, which will cross the new bridge. Once the bridge is completely finished, an initial layer of ballast will be spread, then ties will be laid across it. We'll now move forward to the day of the cutover, and I arrived as Florida East Coast Railway work train, AFW1, was making its second pass, dropping ballast on the bridge and associated track shift to the north. With this half of the new bridge in service, work will shift to demolishing the old bridge, followed by the construction of the second half of the new one. In this area, the existing main line was cut and shifted west to connect to the second main line across the bridge. This temporary shift will remain in use until the second half of the new bridge is complete. Flaggers were present at the Palm Bay Road and Hesse Avenue crossings as crews worked to hook up the signal circuits to the new track. Here, a ballast regulator and tamper arrived as AFW1 cleared to the south. The regulator first plowed the ballast off of the rails. The tamper followed with its first pass, pressing ballast under the ties. Here's the regulator working the ballast on the bridge. To the south from here, trains are running on the new second main line for about 3 miles to the CP Malabar crossover. The old main line will be out of service until the second half of the new bridge is complete. The following day, the first half of the new Ogali River Bridge was put into service, and that will be featured in my next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.